We'll practice operations with signed fractions. Here's the problem. Evaluate negative 2 and 1/3 minus the product of negative 1 and 1/2 and 2/3. First, convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Negative 2 and 1/3 becomes negative 7/3, and negative 1 and 1/2 becomes negative 3/2. Next, multiply first, following order of operations. Negative 3/2 times 2/3 equals negative 6/6, which simplifies to negative 1. Now subtract negative 1, which is the same as adding 1. Negative 7/3 minus negative 1 becomes negative 7/3 plus 1. Write 1 as 3/3, then add to get negative 4/3, which is negative 1 and 1/3. Remember to follow order of operations and convert mixed numbers to improper fractions when working with signed fractions.